Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 19th, 2024. We have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block, in Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles today. Yeah, otherwise it will be a lot of puzzles for a day. Alright, the first one is number 9299. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 28. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25. This one is 3 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars by the publisher. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. The question is this a 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number can I pick. Alright. There's a lot of sevens. Seven in the last column. 7 in that column. So the column between. Only place level 7 should be there. 7 in the first column. 7 in the third column. So the column between. The second column. The only 2 places level 7 should be here. Oh, there we have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. And 7. Okay. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about the... Need a 4 there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box not for 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in the last column. 4 in that column. So the column between. The only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. And 4, 4. Well, in this column, we need a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. Here can be 4. We have 4 in the first row. No 4 there. Here can be 4. We have 4 in the third row. No 4 there. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this last row. No 4 there. And here can be 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. So the 4 should be in one of these 3 boxes in this column. Here, or there. We see another 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. Only place level 4. Hey, should be there. Alright. Now I cannot continue with the 4. Okay. How about the 1 in this column? 1 in the second column. So the first column, no need to place level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. We have a pair. 1 and a 4 in this row. The 1 and a 4 in the last row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Okay. 2 in this column. First column. 2 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row. Last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now, need to wait. How about a 1 in the last column? 1 in the column next. So in that column now, need to place level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first, in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 1 should be there. 1 in the 4, we have 1 now in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 place level, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digital number 1. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digital 2, number 4. Okay. Then 7, okay. How about 2 here? And 2 there, okay. 2, no. 5 and 8. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8, 8. I need a 9. Need a 6. 9, 6, and need a 5. 5, 5. Alright. 5, 8, 8. And 9. Well, let me see. Yeah. Where's the opening? 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. We have a pair. The 3 and the 7 in this row, the 3 and the 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7, okay. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 3. Okay. 8 and 9. 9 and 6. Yeah. 6. Need 8 here. Need 8 there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here, could be there in this row. Here or there, we see another 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. Only place level 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only place level 8. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, only 2 place level 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place level 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 8. Okay. Then. Two. Okay. Yeah. Well, that's 6 now. 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row. Second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. On last column, the only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left. The 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 6. Okay. 9 and 5. 9 and 5. Come on. 1 box left now in this row. For number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. Same numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square. For number 1, 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 5 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there, finished in 14 minutes. Well. 0 stars. Yeah. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.